everyone, thanks for watching My Cafe Secrets. This is an easy recipe you can do if you have some orzo pasta. It's really delicious and I even have this for breakfast. So let's get started. The first thing we do is let this cook for 9 minutes. We're going to need 2 onions, diced. We're going to need 1/4 onion, diced as well. Bell peppers, but since I don't have any bell peppers, I'm going to use some shinto peppers and mini bell pepper and dice those up as well. There we go. And then we also need a few sprigs of rosemary. Okay, here we go. And last but not least, after once the sauce is almost done cooking, you're going to need a big handful of spinach. 1 lime, take out the seeds. And if you notice for the bell peppers, I just leave the seeds on. They don't bother me at all. 4 cloves of garlic, and I use my garlic crusher, but you can just mince it up if you need. When the orzo is done cooking, you strain it, and I give it a little mix with a little butter so it doesn't stick together while we're working on the sauce. So now it's time to get started with the sauce. So I just put some olive oil, and I put my garlic, and next I'm going to start sauteing all the veggies. For my spices, I'm going to use some fresh ground pepper, garlic powder, and some sea salt. I saute the harder veggies first, and then for the towards the end, then I add the tomatoes. Time to add the tomatoes. As I'm mixing the tomatoes, I like to kind of crush them down, to break them down, help them break down a little faster. And I'm also going to start putting my seasonings in. The garlic powder, just whatever you're liking. I love garlic, so I put a little extra on mine. This is sea salt, even though it looks black. It's sea salt from Hawaii. I just added the black pepper. Give them a stir to infuse all the flavors all around. Now I'm going to take a really big hand of the spinach and just put it in here. It'll break down really fast because of all the heat. Okay, the sauce is pretty much done. Now I just add 1 spoon of this pepperoncino cheese. And I add the orzo. And now that it's complete, if you want, you can just garnish with a little bit of pepperoncino on the top, and it's ready to go. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye!